To understand Golpo, start with a mental model. Video generation is asynchronous. You start a job, receive an identifier, wait, then retrieve the finished asset. Here, you're seeing the Golpo API documentation, which is the map between the dashboard and real code. At the top, Golpo shows 3 integration paths: REST, Python, and Node. No matter which you choose, the backend flow is identical. When you open the REST docs, the first thing emphasized is authentication, specifically the XAPI key header, because every request must include it. Scrolling down, each endpoint matches a visible product action. Generating a video maps to a post request that starts an asynchronous job. Listing videos maps to a GET request. Fetching, updating, or deleting a single video uses the video ID. Nothing here returns a finished video instantly. Each generate call returns a job identifier, which is why polling endpoints exist and why waiting screens appear later in developer workflows, across products and integrations globally. Once you understand that flow, you can automate it from any editor. Here, Claude is prompted to translate a Newton's Law lesson into a Golpo Canvas chalkboard video automatically. Claude sends a generate request, receives a job ID, and begins polling the status endpoint. While polling continues, you typically prepare your UI to accept the final video URL and metadata. When a status flips to completed, the video asset becomes playable and downloadable.
Physics explains how things move, and motion changes because of forces. A force is just a push or a pull. Newton's first law is about inertia. Things like to keep doing what they're doing. A soccer ball sits still until you kick it. Once it's rolling, it keeps going until friction slows it down. The same idea explains why a passenger lurches forward when a car suddenly brakes. Your body keeps moving until the seatbelt applies a...
At this point, you can store the video ID, list it later, update its metadata, or delete it, all using standard REST calls or the Python and Node SDKs.